I'm very excited this morning, and I just want to say welcome to our inaugural Bentley Alumni Conference.
I'm meeting so many different alums who are into so many different industries, doing so many things.
To really thrive in this economy, where the tools are at next level productivity, efficiency, creativity, you have to stretch more.
One of the greatest things about Bentley and our community is how we all try to help each other.
The energy's been unbelievable. I probably took 2-3 pages of notes today and pretty excited to bring that back to my own career.
It was extremely inspiring. It's good to reconnect, take a breath, and think about not only my future, but the future of Bentley students and how I can help them achieve their goals as well.